Hello YouTubers, Custom Comments here with another showcase review of the Matsburg Christmas Spawn Cape. And Terry also found this. We got a couple of outfits from them. I got two more coming, but she found the Raven in this one. And when I saw this one, I automatically said, she asked me if I want, I said, no doubt, man, because it's so unique, so different. Which I do got the old Christmas Spawn. I'll show you that one too. From way back. More like a statue, but the paint on it, McFarlane, he was ahead of his time back in the day. Very old figure, but still look good today. Okay. But this set comes with the bag, Christmas bag, which is stuffed with cotton, I believe. And the snowman, which you have to put together. Okay. It comes with a scarf, the nose, and two arms. You have to put all that on. And these are square fittings, so it's not like you can't rotate it. You just put it in, and you better glue it because it's very small. And you better glue the nose. You can tie the scarf on. Okay, very demonic looking snowman. He comes with 6 of these Christmas bells. I didn't know how to utilize them, so I just put 2 of them on him on the center. Damn. And he just dropped one on the snowman. I want to find a way to use them all. Get this back on. If I can. Okay. And also it comes with the chain. The long Spawn chain with the spikes at the end. We ain't seen that before plenty of times. Nothing in the middle, and they always put wire near the tips of them. So like you can wrap it around, then you can, articulate the tip of it. But thin wire, very thin wire. Okay, you get that too. All right, so let's turn him around where you can see how he looks. I think he looks dope. Yeah, so let's get a closer look. You see the real big skulls. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna tell you now, this material is like a velvet. It's gonna attract dust like crazy. Like crazy. But the cape is fully wired. You have wires on the outside. You have wires going all through here. Of course, these are wired. So you can have crazy articulation of the cape. Yeah, just lint. This thing attracts lint like crazy. But very unique, very cool. I can't wait on the 2 I picked to come in. These are 2 Terry picked. Very dope though. You also get this hat to put on. I glued this down because it stayed up, pointed up. So I glued it down where it stayed to the side. And you can take that off too. Just fits over his head. But very cool, man. Okay. And this is my old one from McFarlane. See this thing, look at it. That's why I say McFarlane was ahead of his time back then. This figure, it got to be early 2000s. But look at the wash, the paint job he used to do to the figures, man. Yes, they don't have much articulation. I mean, they might have a bend here and there where you can rotate the elbow, the forearm, or the hands. But shoot, man, I still like this one. I have a whole bunch of vintage McFarlane Spawn stuff. Stuff is still dope today. So yes. Plus this one has the hamburger face scope though. As you can see. And you can take his hat off too. Yeah. Love this figure. Or statue. You see his bag. Like he's digging in the bag. What the hell are you gonna give you? Alright. Yes, but this is the new one, which I do love. I still love this one. Man, it's so unique. You don't see too many Christmas spawns. You don't think of Spawn in a Christmassy way. Cause it's so dark. It's dope. I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Well, if you guys got any questions or requests, make sure to hit me up in the comments, or you can hit me up on Instagram, and I will be sure to get back with you. All right, everyone. Well, take care. God bless, and please be safe. Peace.